Alright, what up, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so tonight we're on Palo Verde. We're flying my DJI mini drone. I know that a lot of people have been wondering what kind of drone I have, and it's a DJI Mini 3. So if you guys have an extra 900 bucks to throw away, go ahead and get one. But anyways, so tonight we're on Palo Verde, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of action going on. Right now we're right next to the Royal Inn. The Royal Inn is like where all these lizards nest at. So Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays are the busiest nights, man. That's when you're gonna find the most action. But yeah, man, go ahead and enjoy this video, man. If you guys are wondering where the rest of this video is, it's gonna be on my locals, man. Locals. Go to locals.com, sign up, look for the Lizard Hunter. If you guys don't know how to get there, there's gonna be a link in the description below. If it's not there, it's probably gonna be in the comment section. If it's not in the comment section, then you guys can go to the community page. I always drop my locals link on there, and yeah, man, go and look at it. Go check it out, man. I'm pretty sure you guys won't be disappointed. It's only $5 a month. When you break it down, that's like 16 cents a day. I think it's really worth it, man. You can't get shit for 16 cents a day anymore. So anyways, I'll check you guys out later, man.